Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Take 2. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix messenger chat heads not showing. So sometimes what happen, so there are chat heads that that's not showing and you don't know how to fix it. So I'm going to teach you a very easy step regarding this one. So just follow me, and if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So first thing first, what you're going to do is you're going to be logging your account in the messenger app. Once you do it, you're going to be over here in this particular platform, and then from here just go to top left corner where you'll find these three lines, and then go to settings. Once you are over here, just go a bit down until you find this chat head option. So this option might be turned off, you have to turn it on, and then your messenger chat heads will again be over there, which is fixed. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.